Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Finding the limit of a quotient from a graph is actually super easy if you follow these 3 simple steps. Let's solve this problem fast. First, look at the graph of function f as x approaches 1. Even though there is a hole at 4, the limit from both sides clearly goes toward the value 4. Next, check the graph of function g at x equals 1. Since this function is continuous, we just find the point on the line, which is exactly at -2. Finally, divide the limit of f by the limit of g. 4 divided by -2 equals -2, making option B the winner. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing signs, trust the given graphs, and check your steps carefully.